From the ladies to the Intense 5, let's see what made the cut. Rihanna and ASAP, J&B, and even Bro God. The celebrities were out and stunting at the World Cup finals. It's a good look. It looks as if DJ Khaled has been bit by the Ozempic bug. People were confusing him with French Montana. Go on through, ya Khaled. Ninja Man and Son are now fighting their life sentences. They have both filed appeals and are awaiting the opportunity to be heard. Maybe the feud is fuel. Maybe it's not, but right now Skipper is hot. He has 3 nominations at the Caribbean Music Awards, plus 3 songs in the top 5 Jamaican YouTube trending charts. One true Skipper. And finally holding the spot this week, the hottest thing on the app. Red light, pepper light, yellow light, blue. Me no like you. Fambo, we said it before, but we'll go say it again. Best thing on the app. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on TikTok and IG at TVJ Intense. Up next, Jamari and Richie talk life and music. We're soon forward.